Alright, here we go. Subterfuge box break number 647. It's a bin of draft prospects again. Did one last night. We're doing another one tonight. We got Taz and TJ and Donald and Todd and Phyllis and Steven, and welcome to Royce 2643. You got the H group. The H group usually does well. So T-Boss. We got Bummer Boy, Jack, Sicker Taz, Shane Dog, Phyllis, Donald, Phyllis. Sicker Taz and Donald are getting a free dart. Phyllis and Donald are getting the dart listings. In case you're wondering what the darts are, it's just a kind of like a reward program. You get darts and cash them in for stuff. So, Taz, free darts. Single 19. Donald, free darts. Floor dart does not count. Single 7. Ooh. Phyllis is getting 3. Single 14. Double 8. And, oops. Double 5. And Donald's getting 3. I forget what Donald needs. Double 2. That's what Jack needs, I know. Double bull. And triple 20. Oh, and I forgot. We are on 11s for this break, so anybody who gets a hit is going to get their respective 11, depending on the severity of the hit. Oh, you needed a 4. Go figure. So here's our box of draft prospects. Good luck, guys. And the first card's going to the N group in Soccer Tats. It's Darnell Nurse base card. Off the back. Darnell Nurse base silver. We got an emerald out of 50. Going to Soccer Taz in the awesome M group. Earning Taz a double 11 for this 50 emerald. Larry Murphy. I've seen this one a lot. This one's going to Shane Dog. Mark Scheifele. First round pick silver. We got another one for Shane Dog. Hunter Shinkarik. Base silver. The G group and Steven. Mike Gartner. First round pick silver. Really, Tess? Nice. For the S group again and Shane Dog. Ryan Strome. Also seems to be one letter that does really well. It's the M's, the H's. And for the L group and Donald. Curtis Lazar. Base silver. Oh, this one's going to make Donald's day. Draft year die cuts of Eric Lindros. He looks like he's 11 years old right there. Eric Lindros draft year die cut silver version. There you go, Donald. That's going to earn you a single 11. Oh, wow. Nice. I haven't seen one of these. This card has some serious value, and I can't believe TJ is so lucky lately. Going to the B's. My Country of Origin Gold version. Alexander Barkov. You are so lucky, TJ. One team in the last 3 bins, and you hit something good. Gold. And that's out of 10. That's going to earn you a triple 11 for your pile. Oh, nice. Okay, and for the P group, and Soccer Taz, autograph, silver, Nicholas Patan. The box gets better, guys. The box gets better. That's worth a double 11 for Taz. And, oh, wow. Really? 2 good autos coming up, guys. Yes, Donald. It is Jonathan Drouin. You're right. Jonathan Drouin. Autograph silver. Worth a double 11 for you. And the last card is going to Jack. It's just a Connor McDavid autograph. Nothing special. So, there you go, McDavid and Drouin. Good box right there. So, thank you guys for your support, and I'll see you on the next